Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm coming with a quick review and demo of some new products from a line that is new to me. They're not new on the market, but they are new to me, and that is from Range Beauty. This is another Black woman-owned beauty company. You know, I love that. I just become familiar with them in the same situation that I did with the Ami Collet. If you missed that video, I'll link it up below, up top here. Girl, it's late. It's the end of the day. I'm tired. But I'm coming to you with a quick review of the Range Beauty. I picked up 3 of their products out of their line just to try some foundation samples and stuff like that. So Range Beauty can be purchased at Target too, which I learned on Target Online. And Range Beauty, on their website, it says beauty products need to be more diverse and less toxic. True. We keep it clean with our ingredients and utilize botanicals in our makeup to take care of your skin. So it's makeup with skincare in mind. You know, I absolutely love that. I know how I feel about skincare and things like that. So I'm gonna get into a quick demo, which you'll see side by side, and I'll kind of go over the foundations and things that I'm trying. But the things that I purchased was the True Intentions bronzer, True Intentions bronzing primer. This is a universal shade. I got the Range Beauty smooth set translucent powder, and I got 3 samples of the foundation. They look like this. They come in like this little set, and these are $2 each on the website. I didn't go out and get a full bottle foundation because my color has changed this summer. Obviously I got a tan and I wanted to try, so they offer these $2 little containers here with enough foundation to try. So I got 3 shades, and you'll see the ones that I got. The one that I ended up using is the shade Baked. That was the closest one to my skin tone, but you'll see that a little bit more when I'm trying these on. So I want to get into this review. It's not a lot of products. It's not, I did a little wear test. I started filming this at, I got a picture here when I started filming. I started filming this at 1:30 p.m. It's currently 10 minutes till 5, so I've had on this makeup for a few hours, and you'll get to see my final thoughts. So if you want to see my review and quick swatches and everything of the foundations and the translucent powder and the primer from Range Beauty, I hope that you'll keep watching. I'm starting off with the True Intentions bronzing primer. I absolutely have been wearing this to pieces, even when I'm not wearing the Range Beauty foundation. I love this. I never thought I would love a bronzing primer, but it gives you just enough sheer coverage to where I can wear it on my no makeup days. I have absolutely been loving this primer. I definitely think you will too. So glad I got a full bottle of this because I think right now it's sold out. But if you can get your hands on this Range Beauty True Intentions bronzing primer, I would highly, highly, highly recommend this. All right, so I'm starting to swap the foundation samples that I received. The first one that I'm going to swap is Baked. It's in the shade Baked, and this is a warm undertone. I'm going to swatch this on my left cheek so you can get a look at that one. And it's still, to me, just a little bit light, but we're going to swatch the other ones as well and see. Next one is Liquid Sun. I think this is the one that I felt was a little too light. Again, you guys, I have a tan right now, so anything is almost looking too light on me. So we'll go ahead and swatch Liquid Sun over here. I don't know what that is on my cheek already. Is that another foundation? But you can see Liquid Sun is way too cool for my undertone, so we know that one is not going to be a match. Even when I try to put more on, it does not match. I'm not trying to make fetch happen. And last, we're going to go in with the shade Dune, and I'm going to swatch that one as well. I got shades that I thought would match my skin tone right now. Even looking at this in the jar, I can see it's a little too cool, too pink. And these are more of my winter shades. So this one is also not going to work. So I think we're going to try Baked as my shade today. So this is the shade Baked. And while it has really good coverage, I think for now I need to go even warmer, because you can see with the tone on my chest and with the tone of my face, this is just a little too golden right now. And I think it was a neutral undertone, but I think I need to go a little bit warmer. So I'm gonna have to warm my face up with foundation. I mean with what do you call it, powder and bronzer, to kind of see if this is working. I know I hate wearing the wrong shade of foundation. Nothing vexes me more than my foundation. But that's why I got 3 samples to kind of try to figure out which one would be the right one for my summer color. And right now I don't think I quite got it. We'll see how it looks upon edit. It looks good in my mirror down here. And I don't have, this is just natural light with the camera and one light here. So it looks a little lighter in my viewfinder, but down here it looks like it matches. Just, you know what I'm saying? It looks like it's clean, kind of have a good match. Just a tad bit light. The undertone is okay. It's just a shade. I think the undertone is fine. I just need to go 1 shade deeper for now for the summer. So I'm going to finish my face. I'm going to use the setting powder, the Range Beauty setting powder. And this is in the shade Golden Light. And I'm going to use that to set my face, and then I'm going to finish my face, give it a wear test, kind of give myself time for a little oxidation, and to see if it oxidizes or anything like that. When I'm done with the finished look, I'm going to come back. If it looks bad, you may or may not get this particular video, but stay tuned. You may get it. I don't know. We'll have to see. But I'm going to go finish my face. I'm going to set my face with the Range Beauty powder, and then I'm going to go in and finish and see how it starts to look throughout this wear test. Okay, so this is the finished look from my Range Beauty try on. I am loving the primer. This bronzing primer is the truth. It feels so good going on. It feels almost like a serum going on. So I'm loving this Range Beauty bronzing primer for sure. This is going to be a great addition to my makeup stash. Also, I'm loving the powder, the finishing powder. It was nice and light, and the color was light enough, you know, that it didn't leave me feeling like I had on a white cast or anything, which I hate with translucent powders. I put it all over my face. It felt good going on. It didn't feel like I was too dried out or anything like that. I went ahead and did a little dramatic makeup with this look because I was like, it's so bronzy. The only thing that I have to do is put on my Bally Full Body Glow. This is the Full Body Glow that they gave me as a trial size with my order, right? So this is a glow, kind of like a glow, it says it's a full body oil. So it's oil and it has like a little shimmering properties to it. Not too much, what I noticed. It's really, I'm going to shake it up really good because you can see it separates. But when you shake it up, it gives you that good little golden color. Woo. So I've been wearing this since I got it on Saturday, and I'm just going to take my little top down. I have on a halter top, but I'm going to take my tank top down so we can see how this body glow works. I'm just going to give myself a few drops. It comes with a dropper. Let's see there. So I'm going to give myself a few drops of this and just rub it in and see how it glows. So it gives a nice little sheen. It does not have a lot of sparkle in it, I will say that, but it does give you a nice glow. Like a nice, I feel like I would do this when I go out after I've gotten a tan, like when I'm done by the pool for today and I'm going out. I would definitely put this. I love to have it on my shoulders. In the summertime, I like to wear a lot of halters and not a lot of stuff on me, so I really like this to put it on my shoulders. I've been wearing it on my shoulders after I've moisturized for the day, and it did give me like a nice little glow. But I really like that. It doesn't have a smell, but I like that it has the gold flecks in here. So overall, I am pleased with the products that I've gotten from them. I do have a, whoops, hold on, sorry, my phone's ringing. Sorry about that. I forgot I have my ringer on. Anyway, overall, I really am enjoying the products. I do need to find my correct foundation shade. Like I said, it doesn't look bad when I warmed up my face with my powder. Even after I set it with the translucent powder, it started to look really good, but I really want a true match in the foundation. That, and they also have highlighters. It's called Golden Hour Dual Eye and Highlight. I really want one of those as well. I have one in my cart. That was the only thing I was missing on my collection, but I wanted to try the products first. So Range Beauty is definitely a go in my book. And again, you can get this at Target, online at Target, or you can shop it directly from the Range Beauty website. So let me know below if you have tried these products. I know they're not super new, they're just new to me, but so far the wear test is gorgeous. I put all of my makeup on and everything. I hope that they'll release a concealer and maybe some lip products as time goes along. That would be great, but so far so good. I'm really loving the body oil and the primer are my two favorite things that I picked up. So far so good. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried Range Beauty, how you like it, and things like that. And I look forward to trying more from Range Beauty in the future. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys very, very soon with my next video. Have a great, safe holiday weekend. This will probably be uploaded sometime over the holiday weekend of July 4th. So if you're watching it afterwards, hope you had a great weekend. If you're watching it before, make sure you're safe out there. And I will see you guys very, very soon.